we have the function f of x equal to 3x to the power 4, and we're being asked to find f prime. In other words, we want to know what goes in the position of this question mark. And just to remind you, this f prime here means we're going to find the first derivative of the function shown here. Moving on to the next slide, you can see coming into view is the rule that I'm going to use to enable us to answer the question posed for this video. So we have f of x equals 3x to the power 4. So f prime of x, well, we bring down the power 4 and we multiply the 3x and then we subtract 1 from the power. Moving on, we can write f prime x equals, and 4 times 3 is 12, and then this becomes x to the 3 because of the 4 minus the 1. So we can say for f of x equals 3x to the power 4, f prime of x equals 12x to the power 3. To recap, this power of 4 is brought to this position to multiply the 3, and we can look here and see that the power that was shown here in this position has been reduced by 1 to give us 3 here. So we've got f prime of x equals 12x to the power 3. And as a reminder, this symbol here tells us that this is f prime. And of course, f prime is the same as the first derivative. So what we found here is the first derivative of this.